Go.
Hello, my name is Ashwin, and my daughter Avantika started with Growing Stars when she was in middle school, and she's been with them for over 6 years. Before Growing Stars, she tried local enrichment programs where she felt unchallenged and often felt bored. I felt she would benefit with one-on-one attention where she could engage with the teacher and get productive feedback to improve her performance as a student. When I researched, Growing Stars stood out in terms of rating, and the reviews were very positive. I was a bit hesitant given her dislike to tutoring classes at that time. However, she went with the trial class and was pleasantly surprised, eventually signing up for both math and English. She's now got into AP English with the help of Growing Stars, and her grades have improved, and so has her confidence. She likes the teachers and their flexibility with timings. I also felt reassured knowing how she's doing as a teacher, as teachers send me progress reports periodically. Overall, my daughter and I give Growing Stars a 5-star rating. I recommend it to few of my friends who are also using their services and have only good things to say. I highly recommend Growing Stars.